what I was doing, but we gotta fix them, so let's get started. And you know how we're gonna fix them? Oh yeah, we're doing a toe DIY toe soak. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 cups of hot water, and I'm gonna add it to the pan. Now actually, I mean, you could use like a foot soaking pan. What are they called? I don't know what they're called, but I didn't have one, so I had a pan, so I'm using a pan. Alright, I'm gonna grab some green tea bags. I'm gonna take 2 green tea bags, but I add 2 more later. Just because I don't think 2 tea bags was enough, so I go ahead and cut my lemon in half. And actually, you probably couldn't, add the whole lemon. But I didn't think I needed the whole lemon, so squeeze the lemon in there. Now, you can definitely use a juicer. I don't even know where our juicer is, so I just went ahead and squeezed it. And I'm gonna add one of my favorite DIY remedies for nails is honey. I went ahead and just added, I don't know, like tablespoon, I don't know, I just kind of dumped it in there. So I went ahead and plunged my feet into it, and at this time the water was warm because I added 2 cups of hot water, but then it kind of cooled down when I was like putting the green tea in and putting the lemon in and the honey and everything, which was perfect because you do not want it hot to like after this 30 minutes. I felt like they were like rejuvenated, like my muscles were rejuvenated, and of course look at my nails, like I feel like they look so much better.